Wakanda is an open-source web application framework for developing web and mobile applications in JavaScript. It includes a database server, a JavaScript framework, and Wakanda Studio, an integrated development environment. Wakanda is supported on Linux, Microsoft Windows and Mac OS, and is cloud-ready on the back end. Desktop, mobile and tablet apps on the front end. Platform. The Wakanda platform consists of Wakanda Server, a server-side JavaScript implementation supporting the common JS module specification for cross-platform compatibility. Wakanda Studio, a desktop IDE and WYSIWYG editor for designing database tables, forms, reports, and the logic needed to make these parts work together as a web application. Wakanda Application Framework, consisting of a data provider to communicate with the server, interface widgets for the browser-based front-end, and a data source layer that comes in between. History. Starting in 2008 with the server, Wakanda was first presented at the Ajax Experience in 2009 and then the same year at JSCONFU. A private developer preview was made accessible in 2010 with the first version of the Wakanda Studio including a model designer and a GUI designer. Wakanda came to public attention in June 2011 with a new developer preview, with a second public developer preview announced during the Wakanda JS Everywhere, Boston, October, 2011, conference, and the first beta on December 15. Wakanda is available as a live release version since March 15, 2012. On June 28, 2012, the first version of Wakanda was officially launched. On October 26, 2012 it was demonstrated at the JS Everywhere conference, in the US and France. First involved in the common JS working group since 2009, the team created the client and server JavaScript API's W3C community group in April 2012, before joining the W3C in October 2012. Architecture. Wakanda Server supports common JS modules, web workers, web storage, XML HTTP request, HTML5 file API, blobs, timers. It implements the Firebug Crossfire Debugger protocol, as well as the WebKit remote debugging protocol. The Wakanda NoSQL engine is accessed via HTTP, inspired by the OData REST API. Wakanda supports some of the Node.js modules including Event Emitter, Socket, and TLS. Wakanda includes a number of other open-source projects as part of his default packages. Wakanda Server is built with JavaScript Core, ICU, OpenSSL and Slab. Wakanda Studio and Framework are built with WebKit, jQuery, jQuery UI and REST. Since January 2015 Wakanda is using the V8 JavaScript engine in Wakanda Server. See also: JavaScript, ECMAScript, WebKit JavaScript Core, Node.js, CommonJS, NoSQL, MongoDB. References. External links, official website, video screencast/tutorial about Wakanda's capabilities for web and mobile app developers, Wakanda implementation page on the CommonJS Wiki, quote in Ars Technica about Wakanda being part of the CommonJS effort, article Quick Start Wakanda Euro JavaScript for the entire stack in TouchWire News, article Wakanda Server on Gandhi VPS in TouchWire News, beta version announced in JavaScript Weekly, presentation of Wakanda by Peter Cooper and Jason Sealfer in the JavaScript Show, FR, Le Monde Informatique, Wakanda's /Sencha proxy by Revolinet.